Hello, some Ayush members. Been a long time since we engaged with each other through some Ayush content. So, starting today, I'm going to share short videos, short reels called Thought for the Day. The thought for the day today is spring cleaning of the mind. Now, spring cleaning as an act, you know that it is the act of cleaning your home, getting rid of things that aren't serving you anymore. Why should we restrict spring cleaning just for our homes and offices? भाई हमारा माइंड हमारा ब्रेन जो है उसमें भी तो सारे कचरे भरे हैं. उस कचरे को कब निकालेंगे? देयर आर मिलियंस ऑफ थॉट्स क्रॉसिंग माइंड एवरी डे. उसमें से एक या दो ही होंगे जो हमारी मदद करते हैं, लेकिन बाकी सारे थॉट्स तो या तो फ्यूचर का डर होता है या तो पास्ट में जो हमारे साथ एक्सपीरियंस हुआ है कहीं वो वापस ना हो जाए उसके बारे में थॉट्स होते हैं. So what you need to do is make a list of all the disempowering thoughts, disempowering feelings and emotions that you have stored in your mind, in your head, in your brain. Get rid of those thoughts. Get rid of those emotions. And how do you do it? Every time you get a negative thought, become aware of it and allow it to pass. आपको जबरदस्ती से वो नेगेटिव थॉट्स को कंट्रोल करके नहीं रखना. जितना आप कंट्रोल करोगे उतना ही नेगेटिव थॉट्स बढ़ते जाएगा. इंस्टेड बिकम अवेयर एवरी टाइम यू हैव अ disempowering thought. What if I fail? What if I do this? What if I don't do it? What will happen to me in the future? So any thought that is creating anxiety, any thought that is creating a fear within you is a disempowering thought. Become aware of it. Ask yourself, what purpose is it serving? It is not serving you. वो आपकी मदद कर ही नहीं रहा है, तो उसको आपके दिमाग में रखने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. So every day ensure you spend at least 5 to 10 minutes either in the morning or in the evening focusing on thoughts that are holding you back in life. Ask yourself, where has this thought come from? How is it helping me? And allow it to pass. बिलीव मी, अगर हफ्ते में आपने 5 दिन भी किया तो महीने के आपके 20 या 25 बार ऐसे रिफ्लेक्शन से आपका माइंड का स्प्रिंग क्लीनिंग हो जाएगा. माइंड इज अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल टूल. जितना आप उसको पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन में ट्रेन करोगे उतना ही वो आपको क्लैरिटी लाके देगा. स्प्रिंग क्लीनिंग ऑफ द माइंड विल हेल्प यू रिमेन काम, improve your thought processes, articulation आपका improve हो जाएगा. Most importantly, it will bring in a lot of clarity in your life. So believe in the power of your mind and allow the mind to keep processing and keep churning out empowering thoughts and empowering feelings, helping you move ahead in life. So, ladies and gentlemen, happy spring cleaning of the mind. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.